Good morning, guys. I'm glad you're here. Thank you very much for joining me. Please thumbs up my videos. It'll help with the ranking there on YouTube. And make sure you're subscribed. Near the end of every month, YouTube loves to unsubscribe people from their favorite channel. Well, I shouldn't say they love to do it, but they have an ongoing track of doing that. There, along the new Madrid fault zone at 2:53 a.m. in the town of Tipton, there was a magnitude 2.5 earthquake. I'm sure a lot of people felt it unless they were heavy sleepers. It was 4.7 miles below sea level. 5 people said they felt this earthquake. Maybe it's just too early in the morning for them to report it, or they forgot about it. Most of the reports came from Tiptonville. We also got Dyersburg down here. Let's see, and it's near Reelfoot, Lake, which I thought was interesting. Now that was formed because of the great earthquake back in what year was that? 1811, 1812. I got the New Madrid mixed up with the Cascadia subduction zone, but this was formed when the whole area dropped. And yeah, that's where that 2.5 earthquake is. So intensity level 3, which means most people felt like maybe a magnitude 2.5. So that's what USGS listed it as. Felt noticeably indoors, but not always recognized as an earthquake. Standing automobiles rock slightly. Vibration like a passing truck. So did you feel this earthquake last night? Yeah, are you prepared for a large earthquake? Boy, I hope so. As you know from past history, this area is capable of having a very large earthquakes. And yeah, a lot of the buildings are unreinforced masonry, brick. Going to the street view of Google Earth, they don't have a lot of roads that they drove on here. Let's go down here a little bit, and yeah, you can see all the brick buildings. It's like, oh my goodness. Yeah. And we got a church there. Let's go down a little bit farther. Yeah. So, did you feel it? Please put your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, please thumbs up my videos. Please stay safe, and you're safe if you're prepared, or safer if you're prepared, as you know from past events. Yeah, you can't depend on the government to come to your rescue. See, chimneys would be falling during a large earthquake, definitely. And support columns would probably collapse for porches and things like that. And I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.